Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and it is very happy and pleased to see you again into our another video. And I hope you already done the productive day, of course. So in this video, I'd like to show you how to operate the Google Meet. So maybe you already familiar with the Zoom or Microsoft Teams to do the video call with your group or with your business partner or with your classmate. And if you ever operate or ever use the platform named the Google Duo, yes, the Google Meet actually the more upgrade version or the newest version of the Google Duo because Google Duo is not used anymore and Google Meet allows you and provides you another choice and more feature to not only do the video call in one-on-one or in personal with your partner, but also with your team. Let's say for your business purposes, educational purposes, or etc. How to do it? So I'll show you how. Let's get into it. So here I've already opened and logged in into my Google account and this is the look and I will direct my cursor into the 9 dot beside the or next to the profile. I'm sorry, here, and you can direct this or scroll down a little bit and click this meet. And there you go. You can actually, if you, let's say in the condition you have a meeting and your team share you the Google link, you can actually enter the code here. Or if you have the task or the team requires you or trusts you to open or prepare the Gmail link, it is very simple. There are several options to start off the meeting or create the Google meeting. You can start it here, start instant the meeting, and after that you can simply share it with your partner. Or I mean you can simply share this link to your partner and you can also adjust the meeting access type here. The option trusted, it means that when another people would like to join into this Gmail link, then the operator or the the person that made this Gmail link have to admit him or her or them to join this meeting. But if it's open, people can access this Gmail link freely and they can easily join this Gmail link. Or let's say, if you would like to meet or make the invitation and also it includes the Google Meeting in there. So it is pretty simple. You can also click here, schedule in Google Calendar. It will take you a while because it depends on your connection and make sure your connection is good. So I will click got it here and let's say meeting. I will type this is the title of the meeting. I will have meeting with Jonah. And what's the time? You can also adjust it. Let's say I will have the meeting with Jonah on the 14th July from 8. Let's say I will have the meeting on the 16th July and the time is in I'm sorry at 8 a.m. in the morning, or you can also adjust the end time. Let's say I will do the meeting until 2 hours, so it can be 10 a.m. And this is the, let's say you will not only have the meeting with him or with Jonah, not only in July, 16 July, but also until 20 July. You can also click yes, click the date, and also you can custom or modify if this meeting can be repeated weekly or can be repeated daily or even annually. Let's say I will have the meeting with Jonah. What is the, the date? It is Wednesday, and I will have the meeting again tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And it will end up, or it means that this link will expire until 15 October, and I will give it done. And after that, you can also setting the access, just like in the previous demo. You can modify it if you would like to people can join this Gmail link easily or they need the permission or admission to do that. And after that, if you find this already okay here, you can click save. And after that, you can also add the guest here. Let's say I will type Burhan at gmail.com, let's say. And after that, you can also add the location if it needed, and also the description about what will you discuss to the with Jonah here. And after that, you can save, and it is also up to you guys. You can, if it's sent, it will be sent in, and it will show up into the Jonah and Burhan's email, or if it don't send, it will not show up into their inbox. That's it guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and if you have any another request or is there any feedback for this video, please don't be hesitate to put your comment down below. I would love to see your comments there. And please don't forget to practice this trick, and I hope this video helpful for you. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.